Our value comes from more than just our AI models. It's the combination of our deep data, our platform, and our expert team. We work very closely with our pharma and biotech partners to understand the key challenges that they are facing. We then show them how single-cell data can help answer their biggest questions, such as selecting the optimal dose, selecting the patient population, and better understanding adverse events related to their drug programs. By working this closely with them, we can make sure that the insights that we are providing are actionable and practical for the partners. There is this specific example where a partner approached us with their early phase drug program. They were specifically trying to understand how their drug compares to the standard of care. It's a really critical question. The first thing we had to do is make sure that we have the standard of care data to compare to. So we collected standard of care data and ingested it into AMICA. This allowed us to compare the effects of their drug to those of the standard of care and see how these differences relate to response and adverse events. We indeed saw that the effects of their drugs differ from the standard of care in some very important aspects. Specifically, we saw that some key cell types show greater activation with this partner's drug as compared to the standard of care. And these key cell types are known to be associated with the response to these types of treatments. This insight allowed the partner to proceed with their drug program with more confidence going forward. We invest heavily in profiling standard of care treatments and integrate these with clinical metadata in AMICA. We also build a strong infrastructure to allow us to explore this data and train AI models on it efficiently. And it is on this foundation that our deep learning experts and our biomedical scientists can, for example, work together to identify systemic immune effects of treatments and link them to outcomes like response and adverse events. By combining the partner's data with our curated data sets, we can provide actionable insights that guide decisions from selecting the right dose to selecting the patient population that should be treated with the drug, helping partners advance their programs with more confidence.